Were you standing there on Spear?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, it looks
okay.
like you turned right on 14, so I'm walking towards you.
Were you standing on Spear?
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Let me reverse, huh?
I think I see you. You got your hazard sign?
Yeah.
Yeah, not far. See you in a second.
Uber Eats? Yes. Careful, it's a lot of soups in there.
Appreciate that.
Got it? Hold it from the bottom just to be sure. All right, thank you, sir. Have a nice day. I drove by him like Uber Eats. Guys, not paying attention. I had a feeling it was him. All right, fam. That was a smooth drop off. Yeah, that one was good. That one was good. It wasn't a perfect handout, but it was good, Maybe he's texting somebody. Nah. Soho? Hell no, Soho. $11 for 14 miles? Hell no. Get out of here. Let's try back to our Doordash zone. Big Daddy, nah. Decline. All right. Now the Uber clowns start to come in, huh? Get out of here, Uber clowns. You don't need two phones. Nah. Taco Bell? Nope. Not that Taco Bell. The reason I have two phones is because I just created a new Dasher account. That's all. But you don't need two phones to multi-app. Just need one. You do need two phones to stream though. Now it's getting cold. Now it feels like 60 degrees. Uh, nah, not feeling that one. Last one was I don't know, give or take, but just not feeling it. Nah. $4 for 6 miles? Oh no. Boss that bozo. Let me highlight this part.